As we continue to improve our production system, we have some little changes. They are fairly subtle and should make sense. As you can see, most cage cards we've created have had a number 0 in the upper right corner. So what we want to do is create what are called locator numbers. Like you see, this one has number 16 up in the corner there. And we're going to do that by entering the pets in Groom-O-Matic. There are different ways to do it. Sorry about the puppies in the background. But there are different ways to do it. For example, we're going to go ahead and use Martha Hart's pets. She has Pee-wee, Milo, and Scruffy. So we went and found their pets, and we're going to select them, and we're going to add them to the board, the scheduling board, and here they are entered. Now you see the little green check mark there. Okay, that changes the status. So right there, if you click on that, on any one of those for her whole family, all 3 of the pets will come up over here, and you see that the locator numbers will automatically add. So pet 1, pet 2, pet 3. Okay, now if we complete the check-in, then it will actually present cage cards for all 3 pets for that family. You see number 1, number 2, and number 3. The locator numbers are already added and populated here. So at this point, you'll see them up on the board as they have arrived, and they have their locator numbers. So let's go ahead and do another example here. We're going to choose Benzie Reyes, who is a single pet family. We'll put Benzie up on the board, and we're going to hit the button there, and now he's up on the board. Now he's not arrived yet, so there's no locator number, but if we hit the check mark, now the locator number 4 is going to automatically populate that for Benzie. And so you can see the cage card there has a number 4 on it. Okay, so now we'll go to the new and improved grid. It no longer has your initials on them. Instead, you'll be entering your own name. You can just type it in. Like that. You just type in your name. And now you're not going to be putting your pet number 1. It's going to be the shop's pet number. So maybe the first pet you work on that day is going to be pet number 11. And let's say you did 1.2 points. Okay, for that pet, it will add it up over here for you for that particular pet number for the shop. The top section here is RG1, and then the bottom section is RG2. So both shops can share the same grid as before. Now the first section here goes up to pet number 25, and let's say that the shop gets more than 25 pets that day, so we have a continuation up to 50 pets it could be. So if you continue on and there's more than 25 pets, then you're going to need to put your name on a second line. Make sure it does correspond with the first line, because it'll continue to add your points. Let's say you did pet number 26 and you got 1.3 on that. You'll see this actually adds that plus that together down here as your consecutive addition for the day. So this is actually your daily score over here if we have more than 25 pets in your shop that day. So again, you'll just use the calculator as we've been doing, and it should be fairly simple. So if you have any questions though, just let me know. Okay.